With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question given, if the collision of a ball of the mass m is inelastic, then the relation between the theta and the alpha is, where the theta is the coefficient of the restitution. This is not a theta, this is E, okay, because the coefficient of restitution is denoted as E. Okay, then this is the figure of this question. Okay, having the mass is m, okay, and direction of the velocity in this direction, this is angle theta and this is angle alpha. Okay, then firstly initial velocity in the x direction. Okay, let us consider this is coordinate axis, okay, x axis and y axis. Okay, then this is ux, okay, and in y direction uy. Okay, similarly at this position this is vy and along this direction vx, and this angle is theta, then definitely this angle is also theta. Okay, then the value of the tan theta, and tan theta is equal to, because this is ux, okay, then this is also ux, that means tan theta is ux upon uy. Okay, and in this triangle, okay, this is vx, okay, this is vx, and this is also angle, this is angle alpha, then this is also angle alpha, that means tan alpha, and this is equal to vx upon vy. Okay, and given that this collision is not a elastic, that means in an inelastic collision, okay, then coefficient of restitution, and this is denoted as E, and the value of E is defined as velocity of separation upon velocity of approach. Okay, that means E is equal to velocity of separation in along the y direction, and this is equal to vy upon, and velocity of the approach along the y direction is uy. Okay, that means we can say the value of the vy, and this can be written as E into uy. Okay, E into uy, and along x direction velocity is same, that means we can say the value of ux, and this is equal to vx. Okay, ux is equal to vx, and put the value of vy in the value of tan alpha. Okay, then tan alpha can be written as vx upon vy, and vy can be written as E into ey. Okay, then we can say the value of the tan alpha, and this is equal to vx upon E into uy. Okay, that means the value of vx upon uy. Okay, and the value of vx, and vx can be written as ux. Okay, because along x-axis velocity will not change, into upon E into uy. Okay, and ux upon ux upon ey, and this is equal to 1 by E into tan theta. Okay, that means relation between them, tan alpha, and this is equal to tan theta upon E. That means tan theta is equal to E into tan alpha. Okay, this is the correct relation between them, alpha and theta. Okay, and this is the right answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.